The following News Vision report is brought to you by Howard University School of Communication.
Howard is known as a premier institution of higher learning and the mecca for an historically black college and university. After an influx of students, especially white, Howard has become a very diverse campus.
And then just coming through the yard, you can feel the vibes and the acceptance of everything. Some people was playing Frisbee, other people were having a rap cipher. I mean, it was literally crazy in a good sense. Like, it was just a beautiful place to be on that day.
Schiller is a part of the 1.5% white population, and being a minority has never bothered him.
So me, I've been accepted into the black culture here. We stand as one and we all fight for the same thing.
It's not just a top-notch education and culture white students are attending Howard University for. Sports has become one of the leading factors to drawing students in.
Well, I always wanted to get away. I didn't want to stay in Louisiana at all. And then I wanted to play, of course, and then coach offered me scholarship. So I came out here and I loved the campus, I loved where it was, and so I came.
I mean, I've never had any experiences where somebody made me feel uncomfortable or like I shouldn't be here, so.
And what do Howard students think?
I think that historically black colleges aren't just a caliber for black excellence, but for excellence in general.
Mayan Hemsley for News Vision.
News Vision, brought to you by Howard University School of Communications.